Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have my IPSY Glam Bag Plus that I got in the mail. I already showed you guys what I got in PR, but this is the one that I paid for, that I get to actually choose what I get. So if you guys want to know what I chose and what I got, then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Aisha. I do all things makeup related. This is a beauty content channel. We do lots of makeup subscription unboxing, makeup hauls, lots of beauty stuff on the channel. So if you guys like makeup just as much as I do, then I would say subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Now, like I said, I already did the unboxing of this, but sometimes I like to see if what we get in PR is better than what we get from what we pay. So that's why I still buy my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for you guys. Now, this retails for $25 and you get to pick 3 out of the 5 things in your bag, which I think is amazing. So it's really hard not to like this bag because you pretty much curated it. Like, you only don't pick 2 things, but like I said, most of the things you pick. So you should be pretty happy with it. I think I'm going to be pretty happy with it. Unless sometimes the choices aren't that great. I want to say like 2 of the choices I was okay with, and one of them I was just like, it didn't matter what I picked because I didn't like any of the choices for that. But nevertheless, I'm super excited to see what I got because I don't remember what I picked because I picked these stuff so long ago. So let's see. I know I mentioned this in my last video, but I wanted to take the time out again to thank everyone who was so ever so kind to wish your girl a happy birthday. My birthday was September 15th, and all the love I got from my subscribers. Let me tell you, I have the best subscribers. We are like family. From all the DMs I got, from all the love and messages I got in my comments, like, you guys rock. Like, nobody has better subscribers than your girl. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so here for fall. I'm a fall baby. It's not even October yet, and your girl, she ripped out all her plaid shirts. All her plaid shirts is out. I took out all my berets and all my beanies. Like, I'm here for fall. I'm ready for fall. I don't care if it's not October. I pulled out my fall clothes because your girl can't wait. She just can't wait. So let's see what I got. Alrighty guys, so this is a plaid bag. You wear a lot of plaid for fall. All different types of plaid skirts, plaid shirts, and I did not do this on purpose because this was plaid. Just so happens that I'm wearing plaid because I ripped out all my plaid clothes because your girl is super excited for fall. All my fall babies, where y'all at? But anyway, let's see what I picked. So I know I picked this. I know I always say I don't need any skincare, but any type of acne stuff I always get because, like, if I break out, I need something quick and urgent because your girl doesn't like to have no blemishes on her skin. So this was a Murad Acne Control product that I got. And she looks like so. It's like a little spot treatment. It has 2% salicylic acid. So I'm super excited for this. Luckily, my skin hasn't been breaking out too much, but if it happens, I'm coming for you. Alrighty, the next thing I chose was the Uma Beauty Liquid Liner. I always want to try stuff from this brand. I have not tried anything. This is the first thing from this brand that I'm going to be able to try. So super excited for that. It is a black Cleopatra ink liner. So super excited for that. It is like a felt tip. So super excited for that. So the next thing I got, I already own. The cool thing about getting the PR is you get stuff randomly that you would have never chose. Before I opened up my PR box, I have to, the next time moving forward for next month, I have to unfortunately look and see what I got in my PR. So that way I don't get doubles, because I received this in the IPSY PR, and then this wasn't a choice. They just gave this to me. Like they picked two things for you. So now I have two of the same palettes, but it's fine. I'll save this for when I do my makeup giveaway coming up. But this is, I don't have to open it. Well, I don't want to put my print on it, but it's the same thing as what I have here. So I'll show you from mine. I'll cover up the mirror. So this is what the palette looks like. Did I even try this yet? I don't think I even tried this yet. I have some stuff from Il Makiage. I didn't think their stuff is anything that spectacular. I don't even know why I opened this up, but I have another one here, so I'm gonna make sure I give this away when I do my makeup giveaway. So stay tuned for that. When it gets closer to the date, you guys can let me know. If you guys, normally when I do my giveaways, I have had all different type of giveaways on my channel, but sometimes I do a mixture of makeup and skincare. Like I said, my last giveaway that I'm going to announce a winner for this week is mostly, well, it's all skincare, but do you guys want like half skincare, half makeup? I have time, because that giveaway is not going to be till I hit 2,000 subscribers, but you guys can let me know if you guys just want a whole tin of makeup, or you want half makeup, half skincare. Just let me know throughout the time until I get up to my 2,000 subscribers, and then, so that way, because it's not what I want, it's what you guys want. This is just my way of giving back to you guys. Alrighty, so that's going to be given away. The next thing I got, I chose this. It was the Nabla Shine Dairy, like a nice bronzy color, which is beautiful, beautiful. So I'm excited to try that out. They don't really do prices anymore, like on their cards. They used to. I don't know why they stopped, but there's no prices. The next thing I chose two, so I think these were my three choices: the Murad Acne Spot, the lip gloss, and this Dragon Beauty. I don't think the Uma, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think I chose that. But as a matter of fact, I want to say I got this, the one that I got in PR, I want to say. So the last thing I got is Dragon Beauty. It's like a liquid lip. Now, I want to say the only thing I got from her was from Dropbox, she told me, I want to say, or IPSY, and it was like her green color corrector, which won't really look good for work for my skin tone. It's more for if somebody's fair and they have redness in their skin. So I have that in the bin for the makeup giveaway that I'm giving away soon. But this I can actually use, and I wanted to try something from her brand. So I'm actually excited for this. Look at her packaging for her liquid gloss is so pretty. The back looks like it's in a different language maybe, and then that's the packaging on the front. So very cute, very, very cute, very cute. I'm excited. Can't wait to try something out from the influencer Nikita Dragon. This is her makeup brand, Dragon Beauty. So that is it. This was very makeup heavy, but like I said, I got to choose 3 out of the 5 things. So of course it would be, because I chose half everything. It's funny, the one skincare thing I actually chose, but I like Acne Spot. That's like the only skincare thing I'll probably ever pick. But I'm happy with everything. I got a lip gloss, liquid lip gloss, liquid liner, eyeshadow palette, and a spot treatment. So let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 5 items. Very happy, very much so happy with everything. I would say I would give this, I would give it a 9 out of 10, because excited to try this. I love acne spot treatments, love liquid liners. I love this gloss color. Like, I definitely would wear it. The only thing I wasn't too excited for was this palette. A, because I already have it, but that's not their fault, because two things they pick for you and they wouldn't know like if somebody got pure or not. So it's fine, but the colors weren't like it's funny, in my profile I think I picked that I want neutral shadows, so that's probably why I got this. But I've had a palette from their brand before and I didn't think it was anything spectacular, so that's why I haven't really tried this palette yet, but it may work out for me. We'll see. I'll let you guys know in a follow-up. But very happy for everything I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Next video, I'm going to be doing my Macy's beauty box that I got for the month of September. So stay tuned for that video. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Please like, please comment, please subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you guys all in my very next video. Bye.